Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn Rizwan. This is me, your teacher Ayesha Rizwan. I welcome all of you, my new subscribers and my previous one, and also the one who are watching but not subscribing. But you have to subscribe to motivate. So today video is really interesting and very informative. You have to watch till the end because at the end I'm gonna give you a short quiz so that you will know that you understand the lecture fully. This is about present tense. So basically present tense it's mean uh, the day we have now. Actually it's about that. So in present tense we have three situations. So today we will talk about these three situations, what helping verbs we use in these situations and what form of verb we use in that. So I will give you a hint so you will remember it for all the time if you watch the video very carefully. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we will start with present simple tense. Okay, this is the present simple tense. It means it is a general statement we usually use for saying something. A general statement is called present simple tense. So here we use do or does as helping verb. So here we use do or does and helping verb, and first form of verb is coming here. I do know the answer. It means they are talking about a general statement in the present simple. So for present simple helping verb we use do or does. Do we use with I, we, they, you, and does we use with he, she, it, name. Okay, this is clear now. Now we have present. Next we have present continuous. Present continuous means the works you are doing now. Like just now you are doing the work. So the performing work that is in action. The work that is not completed basically and it's in process, that is called present continuous. And for that we have three helping verbs. Am, is, are. Am we use with I, is we use with he, she, it, and are we use with they, we, you. Okay, so am we use I, is he, she, it, and are with they. Okay, and we as well. They and we use are. And there we use first form of verb but with ing. So first form of verb and ing will be used in present continuous tense. And the last one here we have present perfect. That the last one that I am teaching you is present perfect tense. Okay. In present perfect tense, it means the work that is already finished and you are talking now for that. The work you have just finished it means finish it just. So it will here you will say the helping verb will be has and have. Has we use with he, she, it, name, and have we use with I, we, they, you. And here we use third form of verb means past participle. Okay, third form of verb means participle, past participle. So we use third form of verb in present perfect. We also have present perfect continuous, but we will not elaborate. I'm not gonna elaborate here because you will be confused. So my focus is on the three tenses for present tense: present perfect, present simple, present continuous, present perfect. Present simple is just a simple statement, general statement you are saying now. Present continuous means the process, the work which is in process and not completed. Present perfect, the work you have completed just now. So we use perfect has have, for continuous is rm, and for simple do does. Okay. Now after words, if you understand it carefully, I have a quiz for you. I will give you 10 seconds of each. After I will tell you the answer. I dash like to play soccer. Okay, we will do one thing. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna tell you the answers here. I will give you a heart button, a heart option is there in the comments. You have to comment all the answers in comment section, and if your answers are correct, I will give you a heart. So our first quiz is I dash like to play soccer. Do or am. I dash a talented musician. They dash going to the park today. He dash not understand the question. We dash finish our homework and you dash happy with your results. Now my hint is whenever you are doing ed with the verb, like ed with the verb like talented or any word with ed, that time you have to use has have, but you have to remember has we use with he, she, it, name, and have we use with I, we, they, you. And when we are using first form but not ing, that time do or does. And when we are using first form with ing, that time is rm will come. Okay, so this is a hint. I hope you will answer all the questions in the quiz that I'm sharing with you. So comment must, so you will test your English skills. And if you got a heart, it means all your answers are correct. I will wait for your response. Wait till the next. Till then, wait for the next video and subscribe must. Have a nice day. Bye.